I gotta make sure there's no lipstick on my teeth. Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. I have the car to myself for a couple of days. My mom actually went to Vegas for the weekend and I dropped her off yesterday and she won't be back until tomorrow evening. So I want to take full advantage of having her car for a couple of days and go out and about. So I am all dressed, and if you guys can guess what shirt I'm wearing, guess. Another one from Amazon. It's the same shirt I've been wearing. I'm going to be wearing these shirts all summer long. When I tell you guys I had a black one, a gray one, and a blue one in my cart, I wasn't lying. I did remove the blue one though, but I ended up getting a gray one and a black one. These are just so comfortable and they were on sale. They had a 25% off. Instead of paying 20 bucks, I paid 15 bucks for the gray one and the black one. So I'm rocking this shirt. But yes, I am all dressed and ready, and I am snacking on some strawberry bread. Yes, strawberry bread. You heard that right. I got this from Market Street, and surprisingly, it's really good. I prefer banana bread. You can't go wrong with banana bread, but I've never seen strawberry bread before, and it's pretty good. So look at this. My arm is so much darker than my face. Like, my whole body is darker than my face. So sorry if I look like a clown. On today's agenda, I'm actually gonna step out in the next 45 minutes and I'm gonna go have lunch with my friend. We're gonna go to Woomy Oak. It's a new location. They opened up a new location in Plano. So it's gonna be much nicer, much cleaner, and much bigger than their hole-in-the-wall location, which it's amazing Korean barbecue, and my friend has not been there before. I want to, go there so she can try it out. It's really good. I'm gonna have Korean barbecue for lunch, and then I'm gonna swing by and grab lunch for Alexander while he's at work. He asked me if I can surprise him with something, and I already have something in mind. He loves Bamboo House, which is a Taiwanese Chinese cuisine, I think a couple blocks down from where I'll be at. I'm gonna get him some Mongolian beef with rice because he loves Mongolian beef. I'm gonna get that for him and drop it off. And then later today, I'm gonna go to my running class. Well, it's not really running class because at my running studio, they have one class out of the week that they do strength training. So there's no running on the treadmills, which I like. And it's my girl, Chrissy, who teaches that class. I'm gonna go there tonight at 7 p.m. You guys know us Asian women, we are prone to osteoporosis. So we gotta take our calcium, and we gotta, do some strength training to avoid that from happening down the road. I don't want that. Why are you whining? You can have any bread. I know it smells good. Can you get down for me? Thank you.
Just thought you were the one, looking out deep inside, but you won't get to see the tears I cried. Behind the tasteful lies.
Okay, Kelly Clarkson. Okay guys, it is now 3:15. I had a great time seeing my friend Tian. We went to go eat at Woomy Oak and then went to Mango next door and got some desserts, and we were just laughing it up. And I'm just so grateful I met her because we were just talking about the Toyota commercial. That's how we met, and it just happened to be exactly a year ago since we met. And life is crazy, right? Like, so much could happen within a year, and we were just kind of like reflecting on the past year since we met. Like, she got married, and then me with my car accident, just traveling and dealing with all this stuff. It's just so crazy, and I really appreciate her. I really consider her one of my really good friends now. She's so sweet. I could sit there and talk to her for hours and hours. Like, if I had the whole day open, I would just spend all day with her just hanging out. But Had to leave, picked up some Mongolian beef and rice for Alexander. So I'm gonna swing by his job right now and drop it off. And then head back home and feed the doggies, take them outside, and relax a little bit until I go to my workout class tonight. I have a special delivery for you.
Thank you. What is this? What is it?
Read it.
Bamboo house? What's in bamboo house? I love bamboo house.
It's a Mongolian beef.
Ah, with rice?
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Kisses?
Home, I watered the garden in the backyard. It is just way too hot to water the front one, so I'll do that later. The package arrived from Alexander's family, so thank you so much, you guys, for sending this over. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I know there's a few clothing items and bed sheets for us that they've been meaning to give us. So it's sweet of them to send it over. Okay, so here's a skirt. Lucina and I talked about this. It's a skirt. Sorry, I had to stop the video really quick because Menace is being rude and interrupting. I'm gonna have to try these items on later. Oh, look, they sent me this too. Okay. Sweater vest from Zara. And then this dress. Alright, oh, these aren't chocolates. These are kind of like Turkish delights, Macedonian delights. Here they are, lemon and rose flavor, and some bed sheets. Apparently, gotta wash these. Yeah. Is this a duvet? This one's a pretty one. That's a pretty pattern. But yeah. Just bed sheets. What are these? Are these towels? Oh, they're pillowcases. Oh, these are cute. This will be fun for the game room to change it out. Yeah, these are pillow covers. This is fun. Perfect for spring and summertime. I'm gonna change them out actually. That's everything that they brought over. Thank you so much. Is this a shirt? Or is this a pillowcase? Oh no, this is a shirt. Oh. It's a white shirt. Oh, it's just like a basic white tee for Alexander. Thank you, you guys. Thank you for sending these sheets and pillowcases and clothing items over, and some Macedonian delights. Took a little power nap. Still feeling a little bit tired, and honestly, yeah, I slept wrong last night, so my neck is really feeling it. It's just, it hurts to just turn this way. Oof. Ooh, I just hate when that happens. I don't know what's worse, going to a 6 a.m. class or a 7 p.m. class, because both times I am tired. I'm more of a morning person than a evening/night person. I need to do it in the mornings to get it out of the way, but I do want to go to her strength class. But hopefully I don't die, because last Monday, oh my god. I'm being a little dramatic, but wow. Last Monday's class was so intense. It was the hardest class I've taken. She really pushed me, which I am really grateful for her to do so, because she knows my potential. Y'all, I just finished a strength class and it was leg day. The class starts pretty much the same time as when the sun is setting, so the sun is beaming down on us, right? This woman made all of us do 200 lunges outside in front of the plaza that we're at. 200 lunges for our warm-up. That's just our warm-up. Yeah, my legs are like jello today. Lots of lunges, lots of deadlifts, lots of squats. Oh my god. I'm gonna feel it for the next 3 to 4 days. It's gonna be a struggle to go pee. Every time I sit on the toilet, it's gonna hurt. No, but she's great. I love her. I love her and I hate her. But you guys, I am preparing my legs for Christine's birthday because we're going somewhere. We're gonna go hiking, which I will give you guys more details about that in another vlog, but this is just, you know, to prep myself for the hike. She likes to extend the class longer, which I really appreciate because usually it's a 55-minute class, but we were there for an hour and 15, so we got an extra 20 minutes. She loves to kill us. But I can't wait to go home, shower, and lay in bed. You guys, I burnt my pizza slice. I was really looking forward to eating this slice of pizza for dinner because Alexander got Little Caesars yesterday. And I was like, I'll just save this one for tomorrow. And I put it in the little toaster oven. I clicked the mode pizza.
You didn't think it was going to cook?
I didn't think it was going to cook it. I thought it was just going to heat up. And I'm like, okay, 10 minutes, not too bad. And I'm like, okay, it's taking a long time. So I took it out at the 5-minute mark and it's burnt. Can I still eat it, you guys?
Yeah. It's literally
This was supposed to be my dinner.
You can still forget something?
No. No, it's late. It's 9 o'clock. It's late. Ignore the rice. This is for the dogs. Alexander's gonna cook some eggs and mix it with the rice for the doggies. But I was looking forward to this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a bite. It might be good underneath. It was only in there for 5 minutes. No? Break my teeth if I bite this. Like, look how hard it is. I will break my little small ass teeth if I take a bite of it. All right, you know what? It is what it is. R.I.P.
Crispy.
Hey guys, it is now the next day. I didn't wash my hair last night after the workout. I just put dry shampoo on and just slept with my hair up because I was like, what's the point of washing my hair yesterday when I'm gonna have to wash it again today? I'm going to foot spa right now with Anwar, and usually I like to take a full shower, body, hair, everything after a foot spa. That's why I didn't wash my hair last night and I look like this. Alexander's off today. He's home right now with the dogs. I'm just gonna step out for a couple of hours. Look, he's calling me. Hey, sorry, I locked myself out and then I realized there's a spare key in the backyard somewhere and I opened up the door. All right. Yeah, I'm good. I'm in the car. Yeah, I did because I walked out with my AirPods in my ear. I'm like, what am I doing? So I just left it there. Do you mind turning off the little backyard light? It's still on. All right, thank you. I'll see you soon. I locked myself out just now, but I was able to get a spare key that's hidden in the backyard and open up the door. Alexander was in the restroom. I tried calling him a few times. Anyways, I'm just gonna step out for a couple of hours. Me and Anwar are gonna go to foot spa, then we're gonna go grab a quick bite and then head back home. I need to water the garden again. My mom is coming home tonight. She lands at 5 p.m. I am just dressed in my comfy casual clothes, just shorts, flip-flops, a t-shirt, because usually at this foot spa we take out everything besides our underwear and get the massage going. I am so excited. In need, literally in need, not a want, it's a need to get a massage since the road trip to Florida. Like, my back has been, it was hurting, okay? And I just need that deep tissue massage, all the good stuff. So let's go. Okay, back home. It was good seeing Anwar, just seeing all my girlfriends. Like I said, I'm making my rounds with my girls. I came home, watered the garden at the front and the back. Alexander fed the dogs. We took them out. They did their business, and now we're gonna swing by 7 Leaves because you guys know we still don't have internet at home. We're gonna get internet next month, so we don't have to worry about going to boba places, coffee shops to use my laptop. I can check my emails, fill out some forms and documents, and yeah, just get a nice tea. Picked up my mom from the airport, and now we are at Feldback eating here for dinner during rush hour. So traffic there and back was a hot mess, but now we're here, so that's good. I love egg rolls, you guys, for starters. Oh, so good. Everybody got pho. I got a chicken and rice plate. One of my favorite rice dishes in Vietnamese restaurants. It's like a deep fried hen, like a little whole-sized chicken head.
Was so big.
Yeah, very good. Alright guys, it's been a few hours later. I'm home. I took a nice shower, washed my hair. It feels amazing. Doing my skincare now. Excuse me, I burped. But it is the end of the day. I'm going to put my booty in this bed and watch the new episode of A 90 Day Fiancé Love in Paradise. Oh, there's a mosquito in here. There's a new 90 Day Fiancé The Other Way coming out next month, and I'm excited. I am going to wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy this chill vlog. You know my life be boring. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.